How to use target chat. First of all, simply go to the browser that you are using, and if your application is available on your region, you can simply download the target from your Play Store. But if the application target is not available in your region, simply open a browser, for example Chrome in my case. So go to the search bar and simply type in target and log in your credentials. Now wait for the interface to load. Now after your interface is loaded, what you have to do is simply go to your profile. So tap on the profile icon just below the shopping cart, simply tap on there and scroll down to the very end where you'll find Help Center. Tap on Help Center. Now simply scroll down and here you'll find a red bubble appear. A button will appear where it says Start Chat. Simply tap on Start Chat. Now wait for some seconds. Now your chat is open. Now you may be able to talk to the virtual assistant. Now you can simply send a message that you like to get answered to, and in this way you will be able to chat with the target. And if you have more severe issues, then just tap on continue chatting or end chat. And if you have particular issue, you can simply tap on track my order, manage my account, returns and receipt, and the problem that you are facing. Also, if you want to have just casual talk, tap on start chat and continue chatting with the virtual assistant. And that's it, guys. In this way you will be able to use target chat. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you on the next